Janet, Try It Like It, Create It, and today I am going to be making a triangular box very similar to the one I made before with Cutcardstock. This one is a lattice box and I really liked how it turned out, and so I went ahead and designed another one for a triangular shape. Now what you're looking at here is an almost finished product because my camera kind of turned off on me. So let me go over what we have here. We are working with the Curious Metallic Cardstock in white silver from Cardstock, and that's what I'm using for the outside, and it has a shimmer to it. I don't know if you can see it in the light. And this is a 111-pound cover, and so when you go to cut it, I cut mine on a Cricut Maker. When you go to cut out the file, I did it twice to cut through. Then the bottom and the bottom piece is the same, silver. And then the insert for it is lapis lazuli, and it is a Star Dream metallic cardstock with Cutcardstock. So after I cut out the file, then I cut just by hand this blue piece to inset, and then I used a little bit of tacky glue and put the blue on. I'm sorry, that's already done. As I said, my camera was faulty. Then the next thing you're going to do is to fold along your lines. So you've got the 3 sides to fold, like so, and then you've got the tabs, and the tabs are kind of small, and so that's why we're using binder clips to hold it in place until it dries. So I'm just using a little bit of tacky adhesive and lining up that side there, and then because the cardstock is thick and the glue doesn't hold right away, I'm using a binder clip to hold it in place, and then I'm just going to make sure that those are lined up and wipe off any excess glue. And then I just do the same thing on all 3 sides on both triangular pieces. The bottom piece is cut to be a little smaller than the top piece, so it should fit nicely together. If you are off on your alignment, that may affect how the 2 pieces go together. The piece that I'm working with right now was cut from one piece of 8.5 by 11 to make the box shape, and it's a pretty good size box. Let me give you the dimensions once it's folded. So it's I'm going to say about 4.5 inches across. If you want a bigger box, you could cut it from 2 separate pieces of paper or a larger piece of paper. So we're going to let those set and dry for a little bit, and then once they're dry, you can remove the clips and your box is finished. So it will go together something like this, but I'm going to let those dry for a second, and that's their finished box. I will put the link below to how you can get this file, and then I will also share the tutorial for making this box and the link to that file as well.